Hello everybody, my name is Johnny. I'm an English teacher, native English teacher at an international middle school, high school outside of Seoul. 안녕하세요. 저는 원어민 교사 존이라고 합니다. 저는 서울 근처에 있는 국제 중고등학교에서 근무를 하고 있습니다. So, yesterday was my birthday. And many students came up to me, wished me happy birthdays, and also gave me some presents. Also, just gave me hugs. And I want to show you some of the birthday gifts that I got. Banana cake. Love this. Very sweet. And our teacher gave me a chocolate. It's really nice of him. And of course, chocolate pie. Famous Lotte chocolate pie. Okay. And a drink, ice cream. Ice cream is eaten already. And one student, I forget his name, but I know what he looks like, and I'm gonna give him a gift. Gave me this John Doogie. John sounds like John, so my nickname is like John Doogie. They gave me a sticker and stuff like that. So anyhow, this is actually tteokbokki flavor, and it's spicy, really spicy. It looks like this. Very spicy. But it's good. So, it's similar to like hard jelly. Almost tastes like beef jerky. Oh wow, that's just really spicy. I prefer something like this. Banana cake. So let's eat this. Banana cake. So good. Wow. Really good. Alright, so this is a live broadcast. I believe I've done like 4 or 5 live broadcasts this week on travel talk, on greetings, traveling. But jump in and say hello and give me a shout out, give me a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you have to do. Subscribing will be the best, or a comment or like too. All right, so we're gonna make it short and brief. So this has been my live broadcast, live stream, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.